You're watching another Playmo AF Playmobil toy unboxing and review. Today we're taking a look at... Excuse me. Let's try that again. Welcome back for another Playmobil unboxing and review video. Today we're checking out set number 70882, the DJ with Turntable. I'm really excited about this one, and I know I've said it in other videos, but Playmobil has seriously stepped up their game this year with the various sets and clickies. This is another one that I saw in the 2022 catalog when it came out, and I just had to have it. And with that said, let's check out what this DJ is all about. The box art itself is pretty fun and festive, as you can see. The clicky imitates some popular real-life DJs like Deadmau5, Marshmello, and Daft Punk with the inclusion of her really cool-looking fox mask. The vibrant color scheme and the stage lights make this a very fun and necessary addition to anyone's Playmobil collection. On the upper right corner of the box is a small photo of what our DJ looks like unmasked, which I think is a nice touch. The same idea was done for another Special Plus figure from set number 70880, The Graduate, with the inclusion of a female hairpiece so collectors could switch out the gender of the clicky that best suited them. Along with our clicky, you get all of the necessary items to complete the setup: a speaker, an eye-catching turntable with 2 records and movable needles, and a pink laptop with which our DJ uses to mix her fresh beats. One side of the box is a continuation of the front image. We get a full view of the graphic that adorns the front of the turntable. The opposite side displays the Special Plus logo and barcode. The bottom has our standard choking hazards in various languages. The top shows the countries of manufacture and of origin. Finally, the back shows more of the choking hazard warnings and our package contents photographed separately. That is a really cool clicky. I can't wait to get this set open, reviewed, and displayed on my shelf. So enough with the packaging details, guys. Let's crack this baby open and see what's inside. Oh wow, that's something I couldn't notice just looking at the box cover here. But the sticker for the turntable sparkles. It has this holographic-like imagery of colorful stars that shimmer when light hits it at an angle. That's a pretty nice feature. These parts came out covered in dust. It's best to clean any parts that require stickers because otherwise the dust particles will weaken the adhesive. Plus, you don't want dust particles sticking out from behind the sticker. It can look very unsightly and it's just annoying anyway. So, gotta carefully put this on, and wow, I amaze even myself. I don't normally get stickers on that perfectly on the first try, but yeah, I'll take it. Then you want to make sure that the sticker is on and there are no bubbles. This is a really cool sticker. I really like this little design here on top of the fox's head. We have a speaker, and here it is with the stickers on, and I think it looks okay, maybe. Also included are your 2 records. We got a yellow and an orange one. The records are useless, of course, without the needles. You get 2 of these things. And finally, we have the pink laptop, and it does open here. And here is her screen and her keyboard, which looks more like a mixing board. Pretty nifty. I don't have the stickers on very well, but I'll go back and fix that eventually. And now the moment we've been waiting for, our clicky. And here she is, our DJ. She definitely appears to have the style of someone famous.
Hello.
In the spotlight. She wears a necklace with a padlock, very rock and roll, and she's got these 2 neon colored bracelets and what looks to be like a leather wristband over on this side. I really like how they kept things consistent and added this symbol, which kind of resembles the all-seeing eye of Providence on her pants leg here. It's the same symbol seen over the fox picture on the front of the turntable and on her shirt, if you hadn't yet noticed. like I just noticed. Actually, that's kind of embarrassing. I'm not noticing a whole lot with this whole set. I'm sorry. But now I'm telling you, so now you know. And for the final finishing touch, we have the fox mask, which looks amazing. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, okay.
Hello?
All right. Yeah, so her hair is made of rubber. It doesn't really fasten onto her head very well.
Hello?
So when you do remove it, her hair is
Hello?
probably going to pop off. That's just the nature of the beast. I wish that instead of rubber, they would use like a more pliable plastic.
Hello?
I think plastic is going to last longer than the rubber anyway. But oh my gosh, guys, look at this. This looks so good. This is probably by far one of my top 10 favorite Playmobil's clickies, like Special Plus sets. This is so good. And I think that's going to be it for this review and unboxing. This is set number 70882, the Playmobil DJ with Turntable. Oh, look at her. She's so cool.
Oh.
Smash that like button, and if you're joining us for the first time, consider subscribing for more Playmobil content. Also, follow us on Instagram and check out our toy photography at playmo.af. Thanks for watching, everyone. Merry Christmas, and we will see you again very soon in 2023. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.